Come on now. Healthy breakfast. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tofy and this is Naturally Tofy. So I'm back with another video. So I am back with another video and it is going to be a what I eat in a day for weight loss. So if you follow me on like Instagram, majority Snapchat, then you see that I've been meal prepping for like the last year in an attempt to start my weight loss journey, and it has been the most effective thing for me. And what I'm gonna do is just take you guys throughout 2 days with me on what I eat, how I cook it. But first, see, what you thought was that I was just gonna go into the gyms and show you how to meal prep and eat for weight loss. But you have to do one thing for me. Subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate if you all did that. Turn my post notifications on as well so you get updates as soon as I post my videos. Let's get to it. Okay, so it is like 2 something right now. I'm eating my first meal of the day. So I've been doing intermittent fasting where I eat between the hours of 11 to 12 and I don't eat past like 7 or 8. If I'm like really trying to like be on my grind, I won't eat past like 6. So yeah, what I made this morning, this is the remaining of it. Got my handy dandy smoothie jar. So this morning's smoothie was super simple. I typically try to stay towards strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, anything of that nature because berries have the lowest carbs and are the healthiest for you. So I made a smoothie this morning. Strawberries, fresh blackberries, and then I added some pineapples. So I'll add like 1 fruit that kind of like balances it out. And then I added a banana and I blended it together. But here's the gag. Y'all are out here just making smoothies with fruits in it, forgetting that sugar is in fruit as well. Even though I would rather have sugar from fruits because it's a natural sugar, you still gotta balance it out, sister girl. So I always put spinach or kale or celery, some sort of green in my smoothie. Even though it looks like it's fruity, I'm still getting my dose of veggies for the day on top of what I'm actually eating for my meal prep. So you can see it looks gross right now because that is where the spinach comes into play. And there's also one more factor in the smoothie, which I'm gonna get now. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are great to put into your smoothie. It is also a great source of fiber as well. So when I make smoothies, that's like me supplementing a meal. I typically will drink a smoothie for dinner because it's super light and I like to eat my heavier meals in the beginning of the day. So if I'm gonna eat carbs, bread, rice, I'm gonna eat it either for my first meal. I don't call it breakfast because with the intermittent fasting, it's weird time. So that's what I had for breakfast this morning. And now it is 2 o'clock, it's 2:45. I'm hungry. And I've been walking and look at my neck. I'm looking sickly because I'm hungry. But anyway, okay, first off, I'm not about to be that girl who is playing with her hair the whole video. So we're just about to get it out the way. But before I do anything, I am about to boil some water, microwave some water, and make this tea. It's the Garcinia Cambodia tea. Don't say I didn't ever put y'all on, because this right here burns stomach fat so fast. You drink it 30 minutes before you eat your food. So y'all screaming, drink apple cider vinegar every day. Look, boil some water and make my tea. Okay, so what I'm about to do now is get to chopping. So first I'm gonna cut up some mushrooms. I'm gonna go and rinse it really fast. This meal is something that is super easy to make when you're in a rush. If I'm rushing, this whole process will take me maybe 10 minutes. But first, while I, hold on, hydrate up sis. While I am chopping, I'm about to put my turkey bacon in my air fryer. It is right there. Super compact and easy to use. You just open it up, put the turkey in it. Actually, I'll just show y'all right now. So I'm just gonna cut and open that up. Since I'm gonna take 3 pieces of turkey bacon, great source of protein. The sodium is better since it's turkey bacon, and you also have low carbs. Say it with me: high protein, low carbs. Taking that, I'm putting it in and I'm turning it to 10 minutes. 10 minutes, and it is on about 350 right now. And I'm gonna let it do its thing. Next, we are taking the bell peppers, taking part of a bell pepper which I've already used, and we're just gonna chop that up. Next, I'm taking my baby spinach. So I just took about a little bunch there. Taking this onion, gonna chop part of it. Turn on that stove. Gonna pour just a little bit. It's like less than a teaspoon. And while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and chop my onions. So now, mushrooms, red peppers, spinach, and our onions. I'm gonna check on this. Look at it. Already sizzling, and that's all the fat that's coming from it. Imagine when people cook it on the stove. I'm telling you, air fryer is the way to go. Just a couple more minutes. Gonna go ahead and turn on that. Here, exactly how I like it, and we will dab off all that extra oil. So for right now, we're just gonna keep it in the air fryer. Only gonna make 2 today. Crack the other one. Am I the only one who cracks eggs on the counter? I feel like I can't be. Like, nobody has time to actually have an egg opener. Maybe you do. Never mind. What I'm about to do now is add some garlic salt, some parsley, and then some Mrs. Dash in a Ziploc bag. Shout out to my mom, because I was not trying to buy my own. And of course, the great mother she is, she looked out for me. So now I'm going to so our stove is getting hot. I'm really just about to swirl the olive oil around. My favorite part, the cheese, which gives it lots of flavor, which is why I didn't season it like crazy. So this is kind of taking place. And now, so today I'm making scrambled eggs since I'm making a burrito. Turn it down so it doesn't get brown. Have my little block of cheese here. Again. see like that. If you move it around too much, it won't fluff up properly. While that's going, taking out my bacon, my bread, flatbread 100 calories. Going to lay out my strips of bacon. I'm gonna take a little piece before I pass out. I'm so hungry and it's 3 o'clock. Flip. Everybody in my family hates when I make eggs because I like my eggs a little brown. I say I like it, they think that I just burn it and just say I like it. But I like my eggs a little like crispy. I also don't like my eggs super dry, so like for me, this is good. You see that cheese? Come on. And this is the only time that I'll be cooking today. So all my other meals are already made for the day. So turn off the oven. Take our eggs. Right on top. And what I will do now is wrap it up. Cut it right in half. Come on now. Healthy breakfast. And to top it off, just to get some more of my fruit intake for the day, I already bagged this up last night. Got some strawberries to go with my breakfast. And there we go. Okay, and that is my meal, second meal of the day. Let me show y'all how good it looks. Ooh. But stay tuned for my third meal of the day in the next clip. Okay, so I am back. Your girl is off work. It is 5:37 and I have to go to my other job at 6:15. So before I go, I'm going to eat, and that will be my last meal of the day. So this is what I'm eating. Like I said, I meal prepped yesterday. I will insert a picture of the meal preps that I made. So what I am about to do is warm up my meal prep, and you will see this goodness once it's actually warmed. If I didn't see steam coming out, it's not hot enough. So what I have here is some stir fry, some garlic and herb cauliflower rice, and then a chicken breast with sauteed mushrooms, Italian dressing, onions, and peppers. Say it with me. High protein, low carbs, and you're gonna be full. With a glass of water, put some cucumbers and lemon in it. You are good to go. But yeah, so my food is warmed up. I'm ready to eat it. But that is everything that I eat in a day for weight loss meals that I would typically eat. And I'll do more of these videos just so you can see like different foods that I do eat that are like in my diet. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. But y'all know what I'm about to go and do. Eat this food.